HQ.
We're the party starters.
We're the party starters. A big money hustler.
What's up, addicts? We have some exciting news that we want to share with you. We are going to be doing a studio challenge. Now, we do lots of challenges here at the studio, but this time it's going to include our online subscribers, and we could not be more excited. This is the Revved Up Studio Summer Challenge. It goes from July 5th to August 1st.
It's going to be a 4-week-long challenge. You're going to have access to all 4 of us like you haven't before.
Access to the Facebook group that you will have will allow you to spend basically the week with us. So we're each going to take a week and we're going to be your personal trainer. We're going to check in with you daily. We're going to give some motivation. We're going to give some tips.
These are Facebook Lives. You can ask us any questions that you want.
We're going to allow you to see us in a way that you don't get to see us when we have these pre-recorded workout videos that you're used to seeing.
With no
Probably
makeup on.
maybe some parts of us that you didn't really care to know about. But we're going to tell you anyway because
We're getting
it's real
real
life.
up close and personal.
Real life.
Real life.
On Sundays, you get a live workout with each of us. Just having fun, lifting, dancing, you name it, we've got it for you.
And it's only for those of you in the Facebook challenge group.
Yeah.
We will also be doing those Sunday live workouts through a Zoom link so that we actually get to see your faces and you get to see the faces of other subscribers. Another huge benefit of being a part of the challenge is that you're going to get a digital download of a calendar that is going to make suggestions for you what we think would be the best, most well-rounded workouts to do as you are finishing this challenge. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek.
A preview.
Little preview.
All that is required to join this challenge is to be an online subscriber. Now, for all of our friends on YouTube, when I say online subscriber, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, we have a platform that has over 100 hours of classes. We are a one and done type of online subscription. That means that we're going to meet your yoga needs, your high cardio needs, your low impact needs, your dancing, fun needs, basically anything you could want in an exercise platform, we have got you covered with the online subscription.
Not only do you get the 100 hours plus of all of the library, every single week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you get a video uploaded just for you that is a live class. You get to be a part and have so much fun with all the different formats.
All you have to do is be a member and you will be good to go on the challenge.
Check in the description for the link for the studio online if you are not already a subscriber. That means that if you're already an online subscriber, nothing else is needed for you. There's no extra cost. You don't need to do anything else but request to join that Facebook group once you've got your subscription. To approve you, we check and make sure that you have a current active online subscription. That's it.
It's very easy. You can do it.
So easy.
To wrap it up, if only you knew how long it took us to figure out who this thing was. At the end of these 4 weeks, you are not going to need us anymore. Leave the nest.
Take off. Take off.
You're going to know exactly what workouts to choose. You're going to feel motivated and inspired, and you're going to see these benefits physically, mentally, and emotionally, and you're just going to feel so much better, and you'll be ready to go.
We'll see you there.
Sign up.
See ya on July 5th. July 5th. You guys, that was great.
Wow.
Pretty good.
Kimmy, you did so good.
Wow.
Holy
Awesome.
shit. Breathe, Kimmy, breathe, Kimmy, breathe.
Well, I
Kimmy, breathe.